This is Higher Applications Mathematics 2023 Paper 1, Question 7. We've been given a schedule of interest rates for a bank account. We have been given some information about deposits of £400, £200 and £250. We want to calculate the balance in this savings account on the 31st of July 2022. The best way to do this is to put a timeline together. So I've put in the important dates in terms of interest. I've got the 1st of April 2021, which is when our question starts, and when we've got the date for our first interest rate. I've got the 1st of February, which is the date our second interest rate starts from. I've got the 1st of August, which is where our third interest rate starts from. I'm going to annotate my timeline to show that during this first time period here, the interest rate will be 1.2% per year. That during the second period here, it'll be 0.11% per month. And for that third period, it'll be 1.7% per year. So it's important to note there that the interest rate changes from being a yearly effective rate to a monthly effective rate back to a yearly effective rate. I'm now going to add on my timeline when all the payments are made. So the first payment is on the 1st of April, and that's a payment of £400. My next payment is on the 1st of August 2021. So I know it's going to be in here, and that's the 1st of August 2021, and that is a payment of £200. And we have a third payment of £250 on the 1st of April 2021. So that's going to be there, 1st of April 2022, and that is £250. I'm now going to figure out the accumulated value of each of these three deposits on the 1st of August 2022, and I'm going to add them all up. I suppose to be strictly speaking, I'm calculating the value of it on the 31st of July 2022, but with interest being added at the end of the month. So, first one is £400. It is going to earn 1.2% per year. So that gives me a multiplier of 1.012. I have run from 1st of April to the 1st of February. So this means the £400 will earn interest all through April, all through May, all through June, July, August, September, October, November, December and January. That means it's earning interest at 1.2% per year for 10 months. So I'm going to take this to the power of 10 over 12. It's then going to earn interest at a rate of 0.11%. So that needs a new multiplier. That will be 1.0011. And that will earn interest all through February, all through March, April, May, June, July, and that will take us up to the 1st of August, and we're not going to include August, so that was over 6 months. Now here, I want to take that to the power of 6, because this is a monthly interest rate. That's the £400 dealt with. We now have to deal with the £200. So we're going to add on £200, or we're going to add on the accumulated value. So the £200 will be getting that 1.2 annual interest rate, and it's also going to be getting that 0.11 monthly interest rate. For the monthly interest rate, it's still going to be getting that for 6 months. However, in this red section, we've got to figure out how many months this is. So it'll be earning interest all through August, all through September, all through October, November, December, and January, and that'll take us up to February. So that is 6 months. So here my index will be 6 out of 12 because this is an annual effective interest rate. We've got the final payment of £250, so we'll figure out the accumulated value there. The £250 doesn't earn the 1.2 annual effective rate, but it's going to be affected by the monthly interest rate there. So it means my multiplier is 1.0011. How many months will it earn interest? All through April, May, June, July. So that will be 4 months to take us up to August. What you can do here is you can type all of this into your calculator in one go, or you can calculate each of the individual payments and total them up. So I have got 3 accumulated values for the 3 deposits, and totalling that up gives a balance in the account of £860 and 30 pence on the 31st of July 2022. Right, that was part A. I'm going to do part B up in the top right here. Taylor made a final deposit into this account on the 1st of August 2022. So this will be just after the account has hit this value. On the 1st of December 2022, the value, the savings accounts balance was £1,000. So I'm going to add that point to my timeline. 1st of December 2022. We know the account has a value of £1,000 here. We need to work backwards. We need to undo the interest on the £1,000 to see what its present value was on the 1st of August 2022. So the present value is going to be the £1,000, and we are going to divide by 1.017. Now that's because we are working backwards, we're undoing this interest rate here. We are going to undo the interest that was added through August, September, October and November. So this is 4 months we're undoing here. So it means our multiplier is going to be to the power of 4 out of 12. Again, because this is a yearly interest rate, so we're going to have 4 out of 12 for our index there. Our calculator will give us a value of £994 and 40 pence, which means the difference between the present value and the accumulated value at this stage is going to be the deposit. So the final deposit, the deposit value will be £994.40. Subtract the £860 and 30 pence, and that gives us a deposit value of £134 and 10 pence.